Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while now. You are joining me in my parents' backyard, and today I'm about to give them a little bit of a surprise backyard makeover. So both of my parents are now retired, and they just love to spend almost every day out here in the backyard. It's super green, they're trying to plant lots of flowers, and they especially love to spend their time underneath that gazebo. So I just want to help them take this backyard to the next level and make them feel like they can entertain here. They want to spend all their time out here, even though they already do. I just really want to decorate this place and set it up like a beautiful getaway. So luckily my parents did the hard work for us. They furnished this entire backyard. So first we have a dining room set up, so nice for sitting outside and having meals out here. We have two nice lounge chairs out here with an umbrella and an entire living room set up underneath this gazebo with a sectional couch, an additional couch, coffee tables, side tables, and a rug. So obviously I could leave this backyard just the way it is. It's already great, it's very functional, but I just want to stylize it a little bit more. I want to add some pillows, some hanging features, some decor along the fence, some lighting, maybe a new rug. So just a few decor pieces just to pull this backyard together. Right now my mom is actually out running errands, so that's great. She's not here to watch what I'm doing, and my dad is currently sleeping. So I've closed all the blinds in the house so he can't look out the windows in the back, and I'm just out here by myself to get this place all decorated. And I should mention that I already bought everything that I'm gonna need for this backyard makeover decor wise, so that's all kind of sitting in a cluster over there. If you want to see how I shop for those, where I find these pieces, watch my Come Shop With Me videos that were posted previous to this video, and you guys can see that all come together. Also, make sure you watch right to the end so you can see my parents' reaction to their new backyard. So the first thing I'm going to do to get started is actually clear out this backyard a bit. I'm going to be taking out some of the pieces that I won't be using for this mini makeover. So I'm going to be removing this outdoor navy blue rug. It's not really going with my new color scheme for this makeover, so we'll just put this away in storage for now. I'm also going to be putting away all these little green throw pillows all around this sectional. Again, they don't go with the color theme. I don't really think it's going to work for the new design, so these will be put away in storage as well. For the rest of the backyard, I'm just cleaning it up, removing these extra dirt bags and extra flower pots that I'm finding around the backyard. So the main transformation of this backyard is actually going to start in the gazebo area. So I'm going to lay down the brand new rug that I got from HomeSense. This is an 8x10 outdoor rug for $29.99, so it was such a great deal. I love adding black and white elements into such a neutral backyard space just to have it really pop. So when this rug is laid out in the gazebo space, it's really going to set the tone of this backyard, really help stylize it, and just add that sense of excitement. Now I'm going to be adding a pop of color to this sofa area with these outdoor pillows. I opted for kind of a peachy coral tone. I think it looks really nice with neutral colors like this sectional. It also looks great with black and white, and I think it highlights the green in the garden so nicely. These outdoor pillows are by Sunbrella, and I got them from HomeSense as well for a really great price. Sunbrella fabric is great for weather resistance, it doesn't fade, and it's just great for outdoors. So this is a perfect pillow to have out here in the backyard. And I'm also going to be layering in these two pillows, one to add that contrast and to match really nicely with the carpet, and this really nice textured woven outdoor pillow. I think this is great. It's a lumbar size pillow, and I really think it gives that outdoorsy textured feel. Another amazing way to transform a space is adding light, and I'm going to be adding light to this gazebo area with this outdoor pendant that I got from Home Depot. This is amazing. It's exactly what I was looking for. It comes with a little chain to attach to the hook on top of the gazebo, and it's actually battery powered. So this takes 3 AAA batteries, and it comes with a remote, which makes it so much easier. It's not like you have to climb up a ladder to turn this on and off. So just with a click of a button, you can turn this light on and off. It is absolutely perfect. There's no cords attached, nothing confusing. You just attach this hook to the hook on top of the gazebo and you're good to go. So for this this fence behind the seating area, I really wanted to incorporate something to make this fence feel part of the design. I thought about putting real plants on the fence and doing a vertical garden, but the problem is that this fence doesn't get too much sunlight because of the tent. So my only option was faux plants, and I'm super excited about what I found. I found 3 of these small concrete planters from HomeSense for $12.99. They have this beautiful faux greenery draping out of them, and they add so much more interest to this back fence. They're also lined up perfectly with the bulb above it, so the bulb is just gonna glow over top of these plants and really highlight it. I also made sure to place these in 3 different spots that were centered to the gazebo living space. That way everything is framed out perfectly. So this dining set is pretty much the first thing you see when you walk through this backyard, so I really want to set the tone with this table and decorate it really nicely. I want to mix in some light neutral tones, some texture, and of course our pop of color. Plants and flowers are obviously such a huge part when decorating your backyard. I'm so excited to use all these new plants that I bought from Home Depot. I got them in the color scheme that match all of the decor. I bought some new palm leaf trees, which are really going to give this nice tropical vibe in here. And then I also bought a bunch of these hanging flower baskets that are really bushy, really full, and I'm going to hang them from the top of this gazebo. Really playing with the height and scale of this gazebo with hanging flowers is really going to make all the difference. Definitely consider hanging some plants off the ground, and I think it really draws your eye up and makes for a really full look. I am seriously obsessed with the way this is turning out. I cannot wait to show you guys. Now it's time to put the finishing details in to pull it all together. So I'm finally finished this backyard makeover. It looks so good. You guys are gonna freak out. My mom is gonna freak out. She's gonna love this. Just a little bit of decor went such a long way, and the plants just totally elevated this space. You guys will see exactly what I mean when we check it out together. But let's go get my mom and see what she thinks of her new backyard. Keep your eyes closed. You remember what it looked like?
Of course. Yes.
We've had it like that for years.
Years and years. I'm very excited.
What do you wish this backyard to be like?
My haven.
Yes.
My happy place.
Your retirement oasis?
Yes, my retirement oasis.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Oh my God. You transformed it.
I know.
I can't. You brought it all in too, or something.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cozier.
So it's centered under the light.
Oh, the light's gorgeous. Oh, it's just perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. What a difference when you bring it in. It looks like a whole new set.
Do you like the carpet? I think it actually looks nice.
I think the carpet's better.
Yeah.
You know what? It brings out the furniture better. Oh, I just noticed those 3 plants in the back.
Yeah. Isn't that so cute?
Those are so nice. Are they real?
No, they're fake.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's underneath the tree, so
exactly.
you don't have to worry about that. Oh my good. What is Oh, that's
It's a little
lovely.
tray.
And this, wow.
And then look, I faced this towards the seating.
You did.
So that more people can face inwards instead of facing the fence.
Oh, how
See, look.
I really like the, oh, I see what you did with the pillows.
You can sit here, and I can sit here.
Wonderful. And you match the pillows. Well, this is nice.
Yeah, I put
And
that
you
plant that you like in.
This is a very nice soft plant.
Yeah.
Maybe it was meant to be because I never planted it yet. I can't get over this. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I know, I love it. And I think it just makes more sense the way it's all laid out. Like, I love this stuff facing this way now, and the umbrella between. It just helps like make it look a little more even all across.
It does.
And just like how nice are the palm trees. Like, it just makes it look tropical in there. Like you have your own little like cabana.
It's amazing. Like when you think about when you change the furniture around. I just can't get over this. By bringing this in smaller, it's well, of course it's cozier, but I wouldn't have done that. I was trying to make more space here.
Well, I was too, but then I realized it wasn't centered over the light, and then that's kind of silly. So I just tried to center everything, and then this couch and the table with the center of that fence with the plants, so everything's like symmetrical.
I can't believe those 3 lights were right there too.
I know, it worked out so conveniently. I could just hang it off the same nail that they were using.
A remote light. Oh,
So we'll have to see what it looks like at night.
It's lovely.
It's gonna be so nice. I love it out here. Thank you. You're welcome. Your
What a
retirement
treat.
outdoor
This
home.
is my haven. I can't believe it. I'm a happy girl. Here I am.
Time to enjoy.
This is my spot.
If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every single week all about home organization, home decor, cleaning, and room makeovers. So if you guys are into that, make sure you guys are here for it. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!